Hello! Can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm already 1 month post hair transplant. The time has really flown. All the itchiness is completely gone and most of the redness has faded too. I can safely say that I have completely flown under the radar with this one. The only people who know that I've actually done the surgery are the ones that I've told. A lot of the transplanted hair has actually started to fall out, which is completely normal. So now it's just a waiting game for the hairline to properly fill in. Yeah, I mean, there's not much to it. I'm back to life as normal, really. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to checking back in a few months to show you some real growth.